Hey, Jay here, the snarky scientist PhD, back again and finally talking about immunology. Yes, for real this time. I know a few of you have been thinking, when are we going to get to some science? Consider this your moment. You're welcome. Let's start with a question that should blow your mind. How the heck does your immune system recognize literally anything and everything that could possibly try to mess with you? Viruses, bacteria, parasites, worms, that weird mold spore from your roommate's unwashed dishes, every one of those could be potentially deadly unless your immune system catches it. Now, your body can't pre-program every possible immune response to every single possible threat. The DNA that it uses to code for every protein in your body couldn't hold it all. You'd need a separate chromosome just for dealing with snake venom or whatever's on that gas station bathroom door handle. And antibodies? They're just one piece of the immune system puzzle, a relatively small one. But even just coding for those antibodies would take over 1 billion times more DNA than your entire genome uses right now. It's kind of like trying to put all the content of YouTube onto a single thumb drive. Good luck with that. Fortunately, that's not how it works. Your immune system uses a chaotic, brilliant, totally inefficient process where it randomly assembles antibodies and T-cell receptors. Those are the proteins that it uses to sense and respond to specific diseases. It takes bits of DNA from a small menu of options, like it's using a random Spotify playlist generator. One rock anthem, one emo track, one pop song, boom, there's your immune mashup. No theme, just raw chaotic vibes. Then it slaps all those pieces together sloppily. Weirdly, that sloppiness, that's another layer of what makes it brilliant. Why sloppy? Because sloppy equals diverse. This is the exact opposite of every other time your body fixes breaks or errors in your DNA. Any changes that occur could mess everything up, from losing a protein you need to live, boom, you're dead, all the way to causing cancer. So in this case, it's trying to make mistakes. Your DNA code is read off in 3-letter words, and sometimes this sloppy repair process drops a letter out or adds an extra one, so everything shifts. By cutting out random-sized parts and pasting in other random-sized parts with completely random content, you get trillions of unique combinations, and that's on top of what songs did I pick for the mashup. That randomness gives you range. It's like that weird uncle who's always saying things that don't make any sense, but occasionally are super profound. In fact, the number of possible antibodies your body can make is something like 10 to the 18th power. That's a quadrillion, a number too big for the human mind to grasp. Want to know what else is in the range of the quadrillions? All the grains of sand on the earth. All the beaches, all the sand dunes, even at the bottom of the ocean. That much possibility, that much coverage, that's what your body is providing to you all day, every day. And sure, most of those combinations don't even work. We'll talk about that next. But the immune system thinks it's worth it. It's worth it to have that breadth of coverage. It churns out all of these possibilities anyway because just one perfect match can save your life. It's wasteful, it's chaotic, it's absolute genius. And that's how you're not dead from licking a subway pole back in 2003.